This could be a tremendous contest. Welcome to this Pro Club's Seasons League match. It has been an indifferent campaign so far, sitting firmly in mid-table. High time we headed off to the Amsterdam Arena. Your commentary team, Martin Tyler and Alan Smith.
One thing you want to do is stay in the division, and at the moment that may be the summit of this team's ambition. Nothing special, but nothing too concerning early on.
The word I'd use, Martin, is solid with this team. They've gone about the work professionally with not too much excitement, but they've got the job done.
Jose Del Miron is our match official for this one. Can he turn away from the challenge here? As for the manager in the away dugout, he's shouting at his team. The message is to get into the faces of the opposition, press higher up.
Now, they've got to be careful because they're leaving some spaces in behind now.
Goalkeeper read it easily. Powell. Given the ball to him straight away, and they'll be giving it to him for the rest of the game, I'm sure, if they can. Griffin. It's offside. The referee's given it. The opposition back off. They could be. Here's the opportunity. Very good tackle. Well, he saw the guy could switch the play to and came up with the pass as well. Excellent. Well, now there's a chance to attack from the tackle. Vance. Black. Got the ball well to set his team on the front foot by intercepting. That's the way to win the ball back. Black comes in with a tackle. It's gone out off that player. He tried to get out of the way. Corner kick given. Wasted corner, not at all what they wanted, and the opposition come out with the ball. He's coming forward with some danger. Positional play of this player is really good. The player hasn't had to move very far to get that ball. Green. He's got to score! He will be adjudged offside here. Close, but got to get the movement timed a little bit better. Now Powell. Quick. Here comes the cross. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Lambert. Good position. They've worked this attack very well into quite a dangerous position now. Tried to steer it in with a volley. It's missed the chance. Right in quickly to try and win the ball back. Chance for him. blocks the cross. Well, he has a go. Struck the post here. Got to be.
I don't know what part of the ball he connected with, but it wasn't the right part, was it?
It wasn't. He sliced it, he skewed it, whatever it was. He didn't hit the centre of that ball.
It's good play until they got that challenge in. Change of possession here. Done. Hit him with a challenge. He passes back to the keeper. Griffin. Good movement to get to it. Black. To Dunn. Here, quite congested midfield, but good passing from this team. And in goes the cross. Defender read the cross well and got to it. It's one back. Like to see a team playing the ball forward to open up the opposition, but the defending was good there by the opponent. Quinn, cheeky, a back heel. Oh, what a vital stop.